Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will unbox the cheapest phone from the Realme. 94 mm as a claim. So on this side it has a volume, the unlock and unlock button. I think this one is the power button. So I'm rebooting for the very first time. So yeah, it started. Hello. So I have to continue. The Realme Narzo, designed by Realme, and looks at the color feather gold, looks premium as per the color. On the front side it has a like punch hole camera, and at the bottom you see the speaker and 3.5 mm jack and the Type-C port for the charging. So the phone is booted now. You can see the display of this phone is the IPS LCD panel, 90Hz refresh rate. As you can see, the smoothness. Also, it comes with 450 nit brightness. It's a 1080p 6.74 inch screen. It's come with a camera. On the rear it's 50 megapixel camera, and on the front camera is 8 megapixel selfie camera. So you can see the picture. I have clicked on this phone. It's clean. Yeah. Let's check the camera on the Realme Narzo N53. As you can see, I'm zooming the camera. You can see this is the main camera. It is a dual camera, comes with 50 megapixel, and it supports 1080p at 30 fps. The video specification and the features of this is LED flash and HDR and panorama. It has 0.3 megapixel depth, and the selfie camera is just a single camera. The megapixel is 8 megapixel, and its aperture is f2.0 wide. Also it support the HDR video quality and the The video supports up to 750p at 30 frames per second. Let's talk about the phone. It comes with the Android 13 version and it has an octa-core processor, which is the chipset is Unisoc Tiger T612 12 nanometer, and it's a Realme UI OS, and it comes in two variants: 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, and 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. Both comes in different price. This variant which I have is 4GB and 64GB storage. It comes up the price of 8,999 on Amazon, and the 6GB RAM variant comes with the 10,999 price on the Amazon. So at this point, price point, the phones look premium. The color looks premium on the phone. The battery is a 5000 mAh non-removable battery, and it comes with a charger of the 33 watt super vogue charger. As the company claims, you can charge up to 50% in 31 minutes. Let's talk about the sensor on the Realme Narzo N53. It has a fingerprint sensor which is side mounted here, and it supports proximity gyro, accelerometer and compass sensor. So yeah, it's like very convenient when you hold the phone this, and you can just use this fingerprint. Let's talk about the Wi-Fi and the internet network. Realme Narzo support both dual band 2.4 and the 5 GHz, and the Wi-Fi band it support up to standard 802.11 ABG and AC. Also the Realme Narzo phone, it's a 4G LTE band and the Bluetooth version of the Realme Narzo is 5.0, and the USB type C is 2.0 the version.